By now, you've all found ways to be more productive with AI. Summarize a doc, draft a memo between calls, make your email sound more polite to a tricky client. It's table stakes and frankly, a bit boring. That's not why leading finance firms use V7 Go. They want to run frontier LLMs in production across the entire firm. Not one analyst, not one prompt at a time. And we know that that takes a lot more than a chat interface. So, let's start with workflows. Think of a workflow as a chain of skills. Each skill has its own context, instructions, and output. Finance work isn't about answering one question. Evaluating a deal means working through 20, and each one has its own context to get it right. V7 Go workflows let you configure that chain using your firm's logic. That's what makes a workflow accurate, robust, and repeatable. That node-by-node configurability is what separates your agent from your competitors. Without that structure, here's what happens. Every benchmark we run shows the exact same pattern. Frontier models are amazing, but it's unreasonable to expect them to hold accuracy as context balloons, track their own progress, and produce a standardized output all at once. Something gives. Take a 63-question DBQ. Paste it into a chat, and the model loses its thread around question 40. We tested it. Chat answered 41 out of the 63 questions and produced 0 answers in sales and marketing. Blank. V7 Go answered all 63 because each question was its own row, and each row is its own agent run. Run 500 questions through a data room and you get 500 grounded answers. Step 263 is as reliable as step 1 because to the agent, it is step 1. Same pattern with sims. Run a sim through any frontier model with a single prompt and you'll get something readable. You might also get an EBITDA that doesn't reconcile with the cap table, 5 missing subsections, and no way to verify any of it because nothing's sourced. We benchmarked it. On a single prompt, we got 35 data points back, only 37% of them were correct, and the revenue number was off by 386 million. Run the same sim through V7 Go and you get 77 data points. 1 skill extracts financials, 1 pulls management bios, 1 compares to your thesis, and 1 drafts in your house style. All auditable against the sim itself. And that last point on sourcing is critical. Every number in a V7 Go agent produces traces to its source. PDF citations open the exact sentence, Excel citations open to the exact cell. You see the steps the agent took, the inputs it used, and the checks it ran. If something looks off, drill into the step where the reasoning went sideways and fix it there. If your investment committee sees a number, they should be able to see exactly where it came from. The model can't make a claim it can't point to. And nowhere does this matter more than in Excel. Real Excel models have 15 different tabs and named ranges referencing other named ranges. Most AI tools choke. We tested a secondary fund pricing analysis. Chat pulled the wrong nav, returning an error of 994 million, and now the analyst has to answer some very awkward questions in the next meeting. V7 Go reads the model, cites down to the cell, and shows you the formula and every input behind the number. Oh, and it also builds the model too, properly structured with your formulas intact. Now, we're especially excited about this one, and arguably it's the part that matters the most. Knowledge work should build knowledge as an asset. If you delegate analysis to AI and the output lives in scattered chats, you've lost it. Every workflow in V7 Go feeds a context graph. Funds, portfolio companies, GPs, LPs, vintages, all connected, updating as new documents arrive. Your thesis, your preferred metrics, the deals you passed on, and why. A new sim lands and V7 already knows the sponsor's track record, the fund's positions, your standard terms. The output is recognizably yours. Unstructured information turned into firm IP. We also know that none of this matters if your documents live where V7 can't see them. V7 Go connects to SharePoint, Drive, Box, your CRM, your deal system, your inbox. Drop a quarterly report in the right folder, the workflow runs, metrics flow into your knowledge graph. Nobody uploaded anything, nobody remembered to run an agent. This work can also happen in the background. 12 months from now, your firm has 2 options. 1, more of the same, analysts pasting prompts into chat tools, outputs scattered across inboxes, 3 analysts holding 3 different versions of the same number. Or 2, every document that touches your firm becomes part of an asset that compounds, every workflow auditable, every analyst's work feeding the next analyst's work. And that's why finance firms are using V7 Go.